Here are some commands that we can use for customizations. Open run again with win+r and type this one. This opens ClearType text tuner that helps improve the clarity and sharpness of text displayed on the screen. And this one launches the interface where we can view and adjust system date, time zone, additional clocks, and etc. And this command gives us access to the startup folder that contains shortcuts to programs that launch at the PC boards. And this one gives us access to the send to folder that contains shortcuts that you see on the context menu. Like this one, send to. And this one opens the desktop folder. And this one opens the recent documents.